right? As we were discussing about the plant cell, we discussed yesterday. Okay, now we will discuss the different parts of the plant cell or the animal cell. We will discuss the parts side by side. कौन-कौन से part होते हैं? The main cell has three main parts. कौन-कौन से हैं? Cell के हाँ, cell membrane, cytoplasm, yes, cytoplasm and nucleus, right beta? These three main parts are there in a cell. Now what is cell membrane? Please concentrate here. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane क्या है? ठीक है, cell membrane, if I am talking about, ये एक हम cell बना रहे हैं, right? This is like the, ये है, this is what? Cell membrane, right? Outer boundary. ठीक है, that means अगर यहाँ पे if I am talking about, here is one another cell, तो ये क्या कर रही है? Cell membrane क्या कर रही है? दोनों को अलग कर रही है, right? So इसका एक main function क्या हो गया कि it separates the cell from the different cells. Clear? ठीक है, listen carefully all of you. Close each and everything. Right? Cell membrane अब क्या कर रही है? It separates the different cells. मतलब it separates the cell from the another cell. ठीक है जी? Cell membrane, it acts as a boundary of the cell. It acts as the boundary of the cell which keeps the cells from the मतलब separated the cell from the other cells. ठीक है? अब if anything happens, like if we are talking about कि किशमिश का, if we are taking the raisins example, तो पानी में भिगोते हैं वो भर जब मोटी हो जाती है, that means something enter into that one. ठीक है, तो who will pass the material? This membrane. ठीक है, it is porous. It is porous. It is porous in nature. Porous in nature means that it allows the entry and the exit of the material. ठीक है, it allows some of the material to enter and to exit from the cell. ठीक है, second क्या हो गया? It has a boundary. It acts as the like cell membrane acts as a boundary which keeps which separates the cell from the other cell. ठीक है, third क्या हो जाएगा? It protects the injury. It protects the cell from the injury. Clear है? क्या क्या cell membrane के करे हमने? It is porous in nature, which allows the material to enter and exit of the cell. That's why this is called selectively permeable membrane. Why it is called selective permeable membrane? Because it allows enter and exit of the selective material. ठीक है? It protects the cell from the injury. It acts as the boundary which separates the cell from the other cell. Is it clear? ठीक है? Another name of cell membrane is plasma membrane. Clear है? Now come to the cytoplasm. What is this cytoplasm? If we are talking about what is this? This is cytoplasm. हाँ जी, jelly, thick jelly like fluid that is present inside. ठीक है? ये कहाँ पे है? In the between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Nucleus और cell membrane के बीच में जो part है that is occupied by the cytoplasm. Is it clear? It contains all the cell organelles. कौन-कौन से cell organelles? Mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, chloroplast. Different organelles are present. Vacuoles. Different organelles are present in the cytoplasm. It controls the activities of the cell. ठीक है जी? Then third one is the nucleus. अभी हम cell organelle we will discuss after the nucleus. ठीक है? Then nucleus. अब question paper में question can come like in this form also. What is nucleus? या what is the other name of nucleus? Draw the diagram of nucleus and explain its parts या write its parts. ठीक है जी? अब nucleus क्या है? Nucleus is a brain of the cell, or it is also called the control room of the cell. Why it is called the control room of the cell or the brain of the cell? Functioning of the cell. ठीक है, metabolic activities, control all the body working. ठीक है, nucleus is क्या है? It is also a dense material present inside. It has four main parts. पहले figure बना लेते हैं. ठीक है, न्यूक्लियस हैज 4 मेन पार्ट्स, कौन कौन से? न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म और न्यूक्लियोलस, न्यूक्लियोलस, क्रोमोसोम्स, nucleoplasm. The fluid that is present in the nucleus is called, and the fluid that is present in the cell is called cytoplasm. These are chromosomes या chromatin material, chromatin, and this is nuclear pore. This is nuclear pore, right? What is nuclear membrane? It is the boundary of the nucleus. ठीक है, it keeps the nucleus from the, separates the nucleus from the other organelles. ठीक है जी. Then what is nucleolus? The spherical body that is present in the nucleus which has, याद है नहीं, RNA is present in it. ठीक है, it is rich in RNA. RNA क्या था? Ribonucleic acid. Then nucleoplasm, the fluid that is present inside the nucleus is called the nucleoplasm. Then chromatin material or the chromosomes, these are the thread-like structure. भाव बना लो. But we will, when we are discussing about the nucleus, तो हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, right? Then क्या कर रहे थे हम? Chromosomes or the chromatin material. Chromatin material is what? This is the fibers. These are the fibers. ठीक है? When they condensed, देखो ये fibers हैं. These are the thread-like structures. When they condensed, ठीक है? जब ये condensed होंगे, then these are called the chromosomes. Chromatin material means when the fibers are present. ठीक है? When they condensed, they form the chromosomes. Chromosomes contain या rich in the DNA. Chromosome rich in the deoxyribonucleic acid. Now chromosome पे क्या main present होता है? What is carries genes, and what is the function of the genes? Responsible for the transferring of the characters from parents to their offspring. Is it clear? Clear है बेटे? Genes हो गया. Genes कहाँ है located? Chromosome पे. What is the function of gene? Fluid. The fluid present in the nucleus is called the nucleoplasm. The metabolic activities. Nuclear pore is there. ठीक है. Now what are the main function of the nucleus? क्या है? If we are saying it is the brain of the cell, तो what is the control room of the cell? तो first function क्या होना चाहिए? Controls all the body activities. यानी कि it controls the metabolic activities of the cell. Other function. Second function, definitely it helps in the carry the transferring of the genes from the one mother parents to their offspring. Then another one, it is responsible for the cell division also, because it's a brain of the cell na, it is responsible for the cell division. ठीक है, 3 main functions हो गए. First one क्या था हमारा? Metabolic activities. Second, transferring of the genes from parents to their offspring. Third, is it clear? These are the functions. This is the nucleus. अब nucleus जो है, that is not present in case of the bacterial cell. ठीक है, बैक्टीरिया में जो ये है वहां पे नहीं है. Not well organized nucleus is present. ठीक है, why? Because these are the prokaryotes. What are prokaryotes and eukaryotes? If question will come, draw the diagram of eukaryotic cell. What you will do? Any of, मतलब दोनों में से you can draw any one. वो आपको है नहीं. ठीक है, that is not given in your book. Prokaryotic cell we will not do. Eukaryotic cell का मतलब क्या है? Plant cell or either plant or animal, both are called the eukaryotic cell. Now what is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Pro means primitive, पहले के. ठीक है, अब जो चीज पहले है, हम फर्स्ट पॉइंट तो दिस वन इज देयर कि दीज आर द प्रिमिटिव इन नेचर, यूकैरियोटिक क्या है, दीज आर एडवांस इन नेचर, ठीक है। वेल जो उसमें हम कह सकते हैं नो वेल, हाँ, simple level of organization, we can say the simple level of organization is there in the prokaryotic, in eukaryotic advanced level of the organization. The other one, nuclear membrane is not present in the prokaryotes, whereas nuclear membrane है ना, nuclear membrane is present in the eukaryotes, ठीक है। nucleus is present, अब हाँ जी, हाँ एक मेन फंक्शन, पर न्यूक्लियस का ही मैं कुछ और बोलने लगी थी। हाँ, one other one is there, single chromosome is present over there. Single chromosome is present in the prokaryotes and number of chromosomes are present in the eukaryotes. What are the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryote या prokaryotic cell और eukaryotic? Prokaryotes, these are primitive in nature. Eukaryotes, these are advanced in nature. ठीक है, simple level of organization, complex level of organization. No nuclear membrane is present, nuclear membrane is present. अगर nuclear membrane ही नहीं है तो no bound organelles are present. No मतलब organelles, these are not bounded by the any membrane, but cell organelles are bounded in the eukaryotic. ठीक है, ribosomes are present in the chain form. मैंने पहले भी बताया था, it's like this, इस तरह से ribosomes present होते हैं उसमें, ठीक है, but here we are scattering, ठीक है, ribosomes are present in between, ठीक है जी। और मैं लिख बोल दिया, membrane bound organelles are absent, single chromosome, number of chromosome. Example, bacterial cell, example, plant cell and animal cell. Is it clear? Is it clear beta? Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts to anyone?